Picture this: a warm summer evening, the sizzle of a grill, the mouth-watering aroma of grilled corn on the cob with chili lime butter. Intrigued? Here's how to make it. Gather up 4 husked ears of corn, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, the zest and juice of 1 lime, a teaspoon of chili powder, and salt to your liking. In a small bowl, create a symphony of flavors by mixing the melted butter, lime zest, lime juice, chili powder, and salt. Now, brush this tantalizing chili lime butter onto the corn. Next, it's grilling time. Turn your corn occasionally for about 10 to 12 minutes until it's lightly charred. Voila! In just about 15 to 17 minutes, you've created a flavor-packed treat, with each serving boasting approximately 120 calories. So, next time you fire up the grill, remember, grilled corn on the cob with chili lime butter could be your next favorite summer dish. Enjoy.